mga ka-home foodies, I'm Chef Randy. So for today, tuturuan ko kayo ng isang madelicious recipe.
Hi, Chef Randy!
Hi!
Hello.
Erica!
Actually, Chef Randy, kaya ako nandito kasi gusto ko ng something flaky, something cheesy. Kasi nag-crave talaga ako ngayon. Kaya binigyan kita ng regalo.
Uy, may ano to? Parang medyo mabigat
Oo.
Sige. So, eto guys, parang may challenge sa akin si Erica. Let's see kung ano laman ito in a while. In a bowl, add our crab sticks. Our Magnolia Quickmelt Cheese. Seasoning. Add garlic powder. Green onions. Our grated carrots. Mushroom. Then we'll mix the ingredients all together. Get wonton wrapper and place 1 tablespoon of the filling in the center of each wonton. Dab edges with water and fold the two opposite corners together to form the triangle. Pinch and repeat with the other side. Repeat with the remaining ingredients. Deep fry wontons in hot oil for 2 to 3 minutes or until golden brown. Drain on a rack or paper towels to remove excess oil. And there you have it mga ka-home foodies. Ito na ang ating Crab Rangoon. It is a very quick and easy appetizer. Syempre made special with our Magnolia Quickmelt Cheese. And alam ko, excited na kayo to try this recipe, pero meron mas excited itong kasama ko dito. Okay? So Erica, try this one. Ito nung request mo kanina. Tikman mo na kung tama ba nung request mo sa akin.
Okay, Chef. Titikman ko na.
Medyo narinig ko nung luto.
Ang sarap, Chef. Grabe. Yung hinahanap ko kanina na cheesy, flaky, and crunchy. Kuwang-kuwa mo talaga, Chef.
So, nagawa ko ng request mo kanina and I hope, mga ka-home foodies, you should also try this one at your home. Super dali lang yan, very quick, gamit ang ating Magnolia Quickmelt Cheese. Okay? So, see you again next time. Bye!
Thank you. Bye!
For more recipes, visit www.homefoodie.com. You can also like our Facebook, that's Home Foodie, and follow us on Instagram at HomeFoodiePH. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to get notified for new uploads.
Dahil dito sa Home Foodie, walang imposible. Lahat kayang gawing madelicious.